Okay. Okay. How many of you created the alarm? You just type create alarm or CloudWatch and click on alarm and then click on create alarm. Okay, I'm clicking. Click here you can mention all the thing. So CEC2, everything is there. Query. So you don't have to do this. Just do next. Right. I think it's not there in this. Right. See, I have created this. So I have mentioned $5 here. You see, USD and dollar. Let's see, edit it. Okay, see, I have mentioned $5. So here also you can mention it that what you want to know, based on your requirements. So I have mentioned $5. Although it's free, I think you are getting some credit, but it's still you can mention it so that if you are the service you are using, so it will not go beyond that. Okay. So this is go to CloudWatch, Alarm, AWS, and then can go to the matrices. Okay, just I'm going to update Alarm. Okay. Okay, now again we can go to the EC2, our main topic. So today we will discuss about web server. Okay. So quickly let's launch one EC2. We will choose Linux. Linux. It is okay. We can use my key because I already have. Then launch it. Let's wait. Meanwhile, you will also launch it. Okay, let me check. What is their name? And I always wanted a stream. Okay, no problem. Where is that? Okay, no problem. Let's see. It's running. Yeah. Let's connect it using. So see, this is your string. You need to put. Let's go there. Again. Somewhere is mentioned. No, right? Wait. I think I uninstalled it. Mm, okay, no problem. Yeah, I think I have uninstalled it. That's why it's not showing. So basically, we can connect via mobile stream also. There, we don't have to convert to PPK to this one. PPM to PPK. It's not there. Okay, no problem. Let's use our putty only. Okay, so just copy here and then go to.
We have an option while creating a key pair, we can
We can do that. Yeah, we can do that. So already I have PK. So my key open, accept. Okay, so this is came. Okay, till this, anybody? Everybody launched? Okay, so now we just change. We already discussed this, right? Our user, it will become root. Now it will become root. Okay, PWD. So we are in root folder. So first, I think this is the first time we are launching this. So let's check if there is any update. So just type yum update. Okay, it will update all the required thing. Like in window also we do, right? So we do update, and then today we are talking about web server. So we'll talk about HTTP, right? So let's install that also.
Ashwi, sorry to disturb. Can you
Okay.
increase your font size?
One size, wait. Where's the edit? Where is the setting option? Yeah, and then appearance. Then where's the option? Keyboard appearance only it will come, right?
That change.
Yeah, change, and then bold, and then I think this is okay. Apply. Now it's okay.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Now. Okay. So let's install. So now today actual DevOps will start. Install STP D, and then if you just print enter, it will install. But if you don't want to, because sometime it will ask you, type yes. So you can just say -y. So always it will be yes. So now I'm no. See, I have installed this HTTPD because of we are going to launch today one web server, right? Now let's check the status first. So for status, we can say service, okay, and then STP, which one you want to check, and then you should just say status. Let's see what is the status. As of now, it's not running, right? It's not running. Okay, now what we can do is let's do PWD. So we are in a root. So by default, it's having two is what called folder. So let's go to the war folder. So it will create two folders. This is war folder. So see, we are went to the war folder, and it will create a one folder called as www. Sorry, just yeah. Okay, so now check PWD. What you are getting? Var ww, and then inside you are ww. Okay, so now what we have to do is we can uh, let's see in ww something is there or not. Oh, sorry, ls. So you see one HTML also is there. Okay, so let's do with that HTML also. Sorry, HTML. Now see anything is there? No, now it's nothing is there. Now we already learn echo, right? So let's do echo, and then whatever we are. This is, let's suppose we want to say this is my first web service demo. Okay, okay. Use this one. Okay. Then there, yeah. Then we just create. We use right this keyword, and then we create one new one HTML page. So it will. Okay. Now check if there's any. See, we have. So we can use more. I already told right the in Linux class. Let's use it. So this is my first web service demo. Okay, I think service spelling is called. Okay, no problem. Okay, so this is done right. Now we can now start the services. So you can say that service STP PD, and for start service, what we can say just start. Okay. Now again check the status. If you just type upper arrow key, you will go to the back one. So this is the status. Let's see. Now if you see, it's running. Okay. Any issue with that? Okay. Whatever we have, because this is HTML page, right? This is HTML page. So if there is any HTML page, if you go, you going to run it, it will show in the browser. Correct. So let's see if it is showing. Go to back instead and copy the public IP. This is the public IP. Let's copy it and let's run it. Let's see. It will show whatever we have given in that. Let's see. It is showing or not. Okay, before that, we can do one more thing is that we can just, uh, because this will, if you are going to close this window, again, you need to start it. So let's do, if you are going to close also, it will not close. So just type check config HTTP, which one you want, and on. So it will be so now always on. So now let's go. So you're not able to connect to that IP address. Why? Anyone? Why? We are not able to connect. This is public IP address only. Why we not able to connect?
Because port is not open.
Very good, very good, very good. Port is not able because we did not open the port. So where we have to go? We have to go to inbound, right? Why it is interesting. So let's go to the inbound. So let's see inbound. Where is that? You just go down. You will find. So we need to mention. Wait. Inbound disable that is okay. Let's go here. Where is that? This one, right? Inbound, right? So let's change it. inbound. So now go to edit. So now you have to mention which one, which you have to mention here.
All traffic or SSH.
Or topic or you can mention here. Just save it. Or all traffic you can, or HTTP also you can give, it will allow because we are doing right. So let's save it. What it's asking is, okay, let's anywhere, anywhere. Let's do this. Okay, and then let's try this again. See, this is the first wave service demo. This is we have printed here. See? Here. Where is we have printed somewhere. Where is that? I think it's too. Okay, let's do one thing more. Okay, so this was there. This is my first. So it was there. So if you see, this is an example of very small example of web server, how you are connected. So we can go via DNS server also. If you see, you will check here, you will find the DNS information also. Just click on the your instance. Even you can also try this. I am just pinging to you. You can also try. Check in your browser it's there or not. It not mean that my browser is it will be only there. Check this. Yeah. Check this and let me know it's showing or not showing. Okay.
Yeah, it's showing.
Showing, right? So now if you see, this is a public DNS. So open this also. Let's see showing or not, because it should be so, right? Let's see. It's not showing. Also, let to show you. See, it's there. Okay, so from IP address or for DNS server, because basically in real world we're not typing IP. Like if you know the Google IP, you just type google.com or facebook.com, but actually behind the scene what is happening, it's an IP address only. You fetch a IP address. Okay, even in this also, if you go here, all the things you can learn, just go to, because now this is the coding thing. Okay, see. Okay, go to the console. Oh, sorry. Go to the network. And if you see, if you type anything here, you will see all the requests coming. Like you check here. See, you see here, and just type. If you see the everything is there. Who is responding? Who is not responding? You have to see. This is the hidden. If you see, status code is 200, and request is what? Get. And see the remote address 1422507, and this is the port number. So if you go to any website, any web page, you will see which request they have made. Sometime get, sometime post. So you will find a lot of if you go down, you will see there are a lot of things mentioned. See, so this is the primary thing we have to understand when we are coding or something. Then we are certain, as of now we are not coding it. So, but basically we need to understand how this wafer is working. So basically it's working respect to IP address. Okay, I'm just closing this. Can anybody try this and let me know if you are having any issue? Did anybody try it? Just tried it. So I have used this. You can use also. Yeah, just try it, because on a daily basis you're not learning, then it's not. See, I'm also learning. So basically we need to do a lot of practice, because the problem is that every time if you see EC2 also, every time it is changing a lot of things, and there's a lot of option are there. If you just forget, if you're not doing on a daily basis, then you will forget, because there are tons of tab is there. You just figure out where to go. Generally we just read and go, no, but the thing is that you need to practice. So can anybody try? Anyone can share your screen, and they can try it. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, Vishnu, Ajinkya, anyone? Chandu, go ahead. We will guide you, no, don't worry about that. At least you will get some confidence.
Uh, anyone can share the screen and they can.
Yeah, go ahead. I will let you know about the how to launch EC2 also, if you don't know.
Yes, also can share the screen. Ajinkya, Sam, Arnita,
No one
Vishnu.
want to share the screen? Why?
I don't know.
I think Menu is there. Menu will share. I think Menu, you joined late today.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shari. I got up late.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Okay.
I think then I think you can share the screen, and I will guide you. I already completed one small demo. So can you?
Let me join through laptop then. I
Oh,
joined. Just give
sure,
me
sure, sure.
time.
No problem. Yeah. Okay. So meanwhile, just we will talk about today. We have discussed one small web server, and before we have discussed all the basic command, or you can say the important command of Linux. So basically we have done completed Linux, and now we are moving to the DevOps. Now the second thing we have to start, that is a Git or Bitbucket or whatever you say. That's a versioning control we will start. Till now, I think everyone familiar with few things like how to launch EC2. Either is a Linux or either is a window. Okay, you know basic command. If you go and just search also na in the Google, like command, so you will know every command as of now, because we already cover a lot of command. Basic command. Let me just search and then I will command. Let me share my screen first, and then where is that? I am using a lot of browsers. So I'm
Ashwin.
confusing. Yeah,
It's
no, no. My Vivek actually.
actually I done with this
Uh-huh.
all the
I
commands and all, and I result this getting this page test page. What should I do?
Can you share your screen? Are you sharing your screen?
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, okay. Let me. Okay, I think I am sharing. Yeah, now you can share. Uh, Quickly, your screen why showing is me to. I cannot able to see you
Wait,
entire
wait, wait.
screens, because
Now is this visible?
yeah, that's great. Apache server. I think go back to your yeah. I think you have mentioned something else. Why it's coming Apache then? Whoever. No, no, just maximize this. Maximize this and check. No, no, I think you are in root, na? You
Yes.
already have an Apache. You have to go to that. See, I think you have did some mistake to web. I think you have started the web server, but that's why it's showing it. But you did not
Yeah.
see more space index you have to do on that. So do PWD.
I am already in root.
So you go to cd/var. See, when you are starting web server, na, this HTTP by default it will create two folder. I asked for that 2 3 folder like war w and again do cd triple w. And again cd html.
Syntax will increase the font size.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So if others, please do it. See, if you're not doing this now, it's a very basic thing. Otherwise, the problem is that then you will not able to understand the flow because this entire thing you have to do with respect to this all the tools. Whatever we did right, this is the only the objective of DevOps. You are getting code from where? GitHub, GitLab, right? And then
Yeah,
you
yeah.
at the last what you got the output, that is the output. So that is the shortest way to in between we can use Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, whatever So that's the thing. Okay. Now just do echo whatever you want to type. Echo, yeah. No, double quote. Whatever you want to type. Good morning, yeah. Good, very good. And then just get a greater sign, space greater sign. It will, we already discussed this on Kate, right? First day.
Yes, yes.
I think you already done. And now you can just mention the file name. Like we usually in IT world we mention first file is that index.html. Even though you can write anything. Index,
Index.
dex, dex dot html. Okay, enter. Yeah. Now go and check there.
Yeah, it's showing.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, so this is the thing because the thing is that a lot of non-IT people, so they will not understand nothing. Na? So that's why I have just got this, lesson some from where. So I thought that let me, just share with you guys so that at least you understand what we have to do. So this is the actually goal for DevOps. But in between, we use a lot of tools. Basically, for same like the code, because if we talk about a developer perspective, they will push the code to the GitHub bit whatever you are using in organization, and then from there your work will start. Okay, and then you have to create a EC2, and then server will be there, and then a lot of things you have to do, and then at last your application should be on. So what I did for application should be on, what I have used, who will tell what command I have used on
Well,
18c ck config stp on. So I wanted the always continuous. I already did CI/CD.
मुझे
So
screen share
always it will be up.
और दूध दे
Yeah,
दो ना और झूला मसला दो please.
yeah. When you want to do, you can share your screen. I will guide you. Yeah. So at least they can also. And guys, I'm thinking for a lot of things because now the thing is that only we will not go to the theory part. Okay, we will just go to this practical part only so that you can understand what we have to do, and meanwhile from I'm doing, you can also do in the same manner. Okay, and for theory part, I'm just thinking we can create some platform so that you get on a daily basis you will get some mail to read that, and in within 24 hours you need to submit also. So I'm giving some PDF to you, and then in homework I will give something to do. So you have to respond to me. Okay. So I make some 5 to 6 person admin on that particular platform, and then you can. It's a just a test. I will just assign to you guys, and then we will just like we can just save some time. We just consider on training. Sorry, this practice more, not theory part. Theory part later on you can just learn on your own pace. Okay. Yeah, we know. Go. Just launch one EC2. You already did. Okay, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, just now what you can do now, you are in root user, right? Now I think everything is there. Check if httpd is installed or not. Just type service httpd service.
1 second. I think.
Just yeah. Yeah, Pradeep, no problem. We will take thing. I'm just I have to create first. So give me some time. I will just create it, and then I will ask you guys. Service, yeah. Type now name. What service we are using? STTPD. HTTPD. PD. Yeah. And now just start status. Okay, and same we can do and this particular thing. So it's not started, right? So now just go and start it. Now just instead of status, put start. No, I think you have put both. Oh, okay. So no. You have to just put status. Okay. Okay. So I think it's not running, right? Otherwise, it will show. So now you can just start. Now this command you have to understand very carefully, because in DevOps, what from my knowledge, this is one of the top command, one of the 10 top command. Service this one. Yeah. Start. I enter it.
Maybe package is not installed in the same machine.
Sorry.
I think package is not installed.
Acha, it's not there, na? So just install the package first, na? That's true. Yeah, yeah. So just yeah, correct. Install. HTTP D. I thought she already installed. Yeah, now it's installing. Yeah, now check the status. So it will be the off mode only, right? So we can start now. Okay, now you can start. Or else you can just create a file first. So just cd/var enter. Yeah, now cd www. Yeah, hit enter and go to the cd HTML. Yeah, now you can create one string in this echo. While echo we can do, right? Double quote. Anyone. Hi, whatever you want to type, just type it. Yeah, close the double quote. Yeah, it's showing, right? Now same you can use, and then create to the file. Just you need to save, right? So yeah, space greater than. No, space greater. You need to print. This is just you are printing, right? Now you have to save in some file. So greater than sign. Now the which file name. So index.html or whatever you want. Menu.html, whatever you want. Yeah. So what here we are doing it. Echo means what? Just it is giving you whatever you type, it will give you echo. So now what you are doing, you are saving into one HTML page. So that the data sign is there. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this is done.
Only.
Yeah. It will show you console only. Okay. Now this is done, right? Now start the services. Service HTTP. Yeah. Just remove. Correct. No. I think you have. Yeah. Now check the status. I think it should be start. Yeah, I think your screen is very not able to see anything. I'm just guessing. Now it's running. Yeah, actually green is coming. Okay. Okay. Now go to the your EC2 instead and copy the IP address or DNS server. Yeah, copy it. Yeah. Yeah. No, not there. In browser itself. In the browser itself. We will run this in index.html page. Click enter. Did not open the port at right, so it will not show anything. Just wait for it, and then we will open the port. Okay. 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 Go to EC2. Go to inbound. Yeah, security. Security group. Go to inbound.
Checking that instance, that on instance only.
No. First, go to. Wait. Go to EC2 dashboard.
Go to network and security, then you will find it.
In that, then instead, what is that? EC2 instead, you have to go to network and security. First, click on which one you was running, right?
Yeah. I was just checking on which instance.
That's why I was. I think you are running lot of. I think you have to stop, otherwise you will get. Why you running lot of?
Yesterday I was doing one more. So.
Okay.
If you want to check on which instance, I need to check the IP, right?
Go above even. You can just type host, a host name, HOST, host name. But it will get you the
172.31.41.95.
No, but which one you are running? No, go above also. You will see. I think already in for logging as a root. Okay, go above. Go above.
Okay.
Which one is running? I think 2, 3 is running. I think this is not the go above. I think the first one. This one is running. Jenkins one. Correct. Go click on that. Okay, go to the network. Go down. Now go to network. And now you have to go down. There will be a option inbound. Yeah, see inbound. Where is that?
That is in security, I think.
No. Yeah, correct. Security. Yeah. HTTP. Yeah, inbound. Yeah. You have to just click on this S11. Just above 3050 blue one. Correct.
Okay.
Now here you have to edit. Go to click edit inbound rules. No. Go down. Middle of. Edit inbound rules. Yeah.
Rules.
Yeah. Now here either you can select all traffic or ASP. Where here HTTP. No.
HTTP will work.
HTTP will work, so you just click HTTP. No, not
No, this no.
no, normal one. No.
Yes, I press
Because
HTTP. HTTP.
go down. No, don't worry, don't worry. Take your time. No problem. Take your time. Even I'm also, a lot of time because generally we don't not do this thing, right? Our task is different, so it will take some time. Yeah, click on
Yes.
that. Click on that. Yeah, I before click on that. Save. Yeah, save rules. Okay. Now hit the that one IP address.
IP address. Okay.
No, it's already there in the fifth tab. Fifth tab, you see 13.225. Now just refresh it. Now it should be. Let's see.
When you just go on that tab and 13 dot, yeah, and just here in front click it. Here it will be HTTPS. Just click, give HTTP. No,
No,
HTTP.
HTTP.
HTTP, and yeah, then semicolon and yeah, just click enter.
It should be so. Nick, go to the console. This one, your Unix one. Let's see. Something went wrong there. I think it should. So just check the status, or just I think it's stop or what. Check the status. It's running now.
Yeah,
It's
it's
running. Go there and check. Check with the DNS also. Oh no, why it's not coming? It should come.
It's a security, I think, group related thing only. That's why.
I think she has created a lot of
You-
things, and that is also I think she mentioned somewhere. So just again,
Go on security group. You change like edit.
Can we try all traffic?
for rejection.
All traffic we can try instead of
No,
HTTP.
I think she had created a lot of security groups. So that is also one thing. I think it is taking by default somewhere. She has created a lot of things now. Okay, that is the issue.
Have I lost LinkedIn?
Mhm.
On the platform?
No, then you have to start from the scratch. Then don't worry. I think just click on the DNS also. Let's see in a different browser. Maybe sometime, Yeah, just and check its IP is correct or not from there itself. Maybe you had copied in for a different instance. Check that also. Go to the EC2 dashboard. Click on instance running. Oh my God, 6 is running. So just you have to terminate also. Otherwise,
I've copied this IP.
yeah, save it. Okay, just add one all traffic. Let's see, because if we are
Go,
trying it,
yeah, edit security group.
add security group and let's add.
Font editing.
Edit inbound.
All traffic.
But it should be by default. SH will be there, right? All traffic, yes. No, it's got deleted that one. No check.
Right? Right, HTTP. That will work. I think. Yeah, HTTP colon and that.
I think once you are on the search bar, the HTTP is not necessary.
No, it's better.
We know you can try it on fresh instance. I think means we are not
Okay.
getting.
Shall I launch a new instance?
Yeah, I mean that should work actually.
Okay, okay.
You are launching.
Excuse me. Can you run
Yes.
can you then run the thing as a script, as a bootstrap script, instead of getting to run the command one by one?
Yeah, we can do. Yes, correct. So that is the advanced concept, na? That is one like even if you talk about Ram already shared one project. In that project, there's a two version. One is the manual one, and second is the automation one. Okay. If you go to
Okay.
automation one, na, you will find the script. It will having all the things are there in that. So
Okay.
while running a script, you will find all the things whatever we are doing, right? It was automatically well done. So that we can do. Definitely we can do.
Okay.
Okay. But that is a one concept. As of now, we are in very basic level.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Meanwhile, I'm just giving you a homework also. So I want at least 20 port number list. Okay. Like I just telling you, like HTTP we have what 80, right? And then TCP it's a 2020. And then if you talk about SMTP is 25. TCP is 2020. Sorry, 22, right? And then HTTPS is 443, right? So like this, I want at least 20 port number, top 20 port number, because this will help you a lot. Because next class I am taking this network class, because that is also important. Okay. So before I'm taking that class, at least you know some basic port. So 20 port you have to learn. Okay. इतना हो जाएगा. Okay. I think 20 or 10. Let's see. 10 is okay, so then you can do 10 also. But at least 20 you can do. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, at last we can select all traffic. That is okay. But everywhere we cannot do now, because in organization you cannot give permissions, right? So you can all not always select all traffic. No? So in that you have to learn this port number also, so that which you have to do.
Yeah, I have checked the status. It is active and running. Can you please proceed further?
Yeah. So now again you have to install the package, because package is
Uh,
not installed, right? So
I,
okay, it's
I,
installed. Okay, then it's good. Now go to the CD war. Hmm. And then again you can just mention entire CD war, CD www slash html. Just hit enter. Yeah. Now just you need to do echo and double quote whatever you want to print the string. Yeah. And just get aside, and whatever you want your file name, that you give the file name index.html or menu.html or a.html, whatever you want. Yeah.
okay.
Okay, it's done. Okay, now what you have to do is, I think, go and check there, but I'm just having one doubt, but let's go there and check if it's working. Just copy it. But again, you have to mention inbound. Na? Here,
Yeah.
just your credit card first, inbound. Go to security, go to inbound, and then edit.
Edit inbound rules.
Oh,
Okay.
it's already there. Just run it then. Go to the tab fifth. Okay,
Hello, what is?
you got it right.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I think this is done. Yeah, so I have already pasted all the command in that chat. If anyone new or did not have it, so I'm just pinging it again. So I have pinned it again. Okay, so you need to do this and let me know if you are facing any issue. So hope so we already did 3 times. So hope so everyone can do. There's no issue at all. Any issue with today's lecture? So today we got the basic thing what we have to do as a DevOps engineer. This is our objective. Now we will use this particular thing to with a lot of tools, and we need to do that in a bigger ways. Okay. Any question? Anyone? Okay. Thank you. Okay, and just I'm asking because the problem is that my office timing is around 1:30, or sometime is go to 11:30 or something, and then Ram, can you just stop the recording?
Just